And then of course this came out of nowhere. I'm see all of these bags, you know what it mean, right? Supermarket.
What you want to bring back for you? Eva?
See, I want
Eva.
ice cream.
Eva.
Yogurt.
What you want me to bring back for you?
Tell daddy yogurt.
What you want me to bring back for you, Edie? What you want? Oh, you're not sure.
I don't busy like
What do you want me to bring back, Sada? Chocolate? Okay. Which one? What do you want me to bring back, Leila?
Sweetie.
Sweetie? Alright, it's gonna come back, okay? And what?
Presents.
I don't hear.
Presents.
Presents? Alright. Yeah, but first I need to stop at Sangsters at what about 36 or 48. And honestly, I don't think I can find 10 that is still in one piece. No joke, no exaggeration. So I'm going to have to buy this now and keep it on the tile lock and key and monitor them with it. So I'm going to buy a fresh pack of 36 or 48 crayons for them and some for Eden and Ava, because after they use theirs, they end up using Eden and Ava's jumbo crayons as well and taking it away. So let's get that quickly. Picked up with this crayons 48 and jumbo crayons 8. And then now I need to get some cash quickly. Then we get to the supermarket. So this was never going to be any major shopping, just, you know, picking up some things for the house here and there. For sure though, Tina asked me to get this, her favorite, red stripe melon. As well as Hannah needed this for the hot dogs or burger. And Leila and Zahra sent me out to get sweetie. So I bring back some coconut chocolate. Just like that, my total is a whopping $30,000. Thank you.
Can I see the presents?
The presents?
Please.
Alright, so show you what I brought back for you. Yes. You behave yourself, Zahra? Okay.
I don't climb anything.
You didn't do what?
I don't climb
You
anything.
didn't climb anything?
No,
Very good.
I didn't climb anything either.
Did you climb anything, Eden? You climb anything, Ava? Come, this is for you.
You want them to eat the donut?
This one is for
Alright,
me.
give me the donut first. Alright, eat donut first. Come on, have a donut for you, okay?
Okay.
So, Leila and Zahra, I can take this? I can eat this?
You don't want it? Or you want it later? You want it later? Okay. This is particularly for my sister in Japan, who I'm not sure how long ago you had banana chips. Very good. But I know everybody expect me to come on here and, you know, talk about the Father Go supermarket. But two little things in the trolley and the price come up so high, I'm not going to lament about that. I'm not going to lament about the fact that I put two little things in there and then boops, it only lasts a week. I'm not going to lament about that. I have bigger things to talk about. Things that are also important. You've heard me talk about groceries before. But I'm going to tell you in the morning what is on my mind. And to get some shut eye. Tomorrow we'll talk. See you in a second.
Would you believe it's the next day and I'm fully blown sick? Yeah, me and Ava got up before 5 o'clock today.
Hi guys, it's Ellie.
Ava got up before 5 o'clock today and I don't feel I think I have what Tina had. You feel okay, Ava? Ava is feeling fine, thank God, but yeah, I don't feel so good at all.
Hi neighbors, so Paul and Eden are both down sick with a cold. I am assuming that it's the cold that I had or I am recovering from. Both of them are sleeping right now and I'm just making some vegetable soup so that when they both get up they can have a little bit of it. So I'm about to put in the soup mix. I have some vegetables going. So this is the cock soup mix that I'm gonna put in now into the pot that I have going here with just some vegetables and some spices, pumpkin, a little carrot, and some Irish potato. I know I'm gonna drop this in. All right, so I have my two little helpers here with me who insist that they want to see the recipe. Right, you guys can't come any further, okay? You have to stay from right here. All right. Yes, I'm making daddy's soup. Just a little bit of broth, really. Just a little plain soup.
The chicken?
A little broth. No chicken, not in this one. Not today.
Mommy,
We'll make some more tomorrow with chicken.
Chicken from Dad. Is Daddy going to like it?
The soup without the chicken?
Hmm?
I guess. You don't think daddy will like the soup without chicken in there?
A chicken. A chicken.
You okay?
Chicken.
I didn't put any chicken in it.
Oh, right. Did you put a chicken in there?
No.
Oh, right.
Yes. But hopefully daddy will like this.
What does it taste now?
I'm sure it will taste good. I'm just gonna season it up with a little black pepper and a little
Is it with black
butter
pepper?
and let it finish cooking out the noodles.
And with jelly?
No jelly not going in this, baby.
Oh. So what it taste next?
You can taste. You want some? All right. I'm gonna put some in a cup so you can have a little of it. Okay.
And now, right.
How you feeling?
Not good.
No, No, don't eat any patty. I'm making vegetable soup. So have a cup of vegetable soup before you have the patty.
Dumpling in there?
No, it's just a little. No dumpling, not in there. It's just a little, what you call it? Just a little pumpkin, Irish carrot. Just something to, you know, give you a little nutrients. Okay. So eat these up as well?
Mm-hmm.
What you say, Zahra?
I'm going to get Daddy a blanket.
You want to give Daddy a blanket?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah. And what you gonna get?
I'm going to give Daddy a pillow.
A pillow. Okay. All right.
Ooh.
Hi, Edie. How are you doing, sweetie?
Are you feeling much more better? Are you feeling much more better?
Are you feeling much better today? Leila is asking.
Are you feeling much more better?
Answer. Are you? Not yet? I don't think she's feeling better yet, Mama. Mommy still has her cough. Yeah, Mommy still has her cough. Not 100% yet.
Soup tastes good, trust me. All he did is the pack of chicken noodle. Chicken noodle pack and he cut up the potato and the pumpkin. See, the cock soup. Man, this is nice. It's like literally one day. I was fine. Then towards the last part of the day, I felt a little funny. But then by the other morning, yeah. What I'm hoping though, Tina has a really bad cough. I'm hoping I don't get a cough because it not sound so nice. So the congestion and all that, I'm feeling tired and all that, I'm fine with that. I don't want to cough. That's all I ask. Hush, baby, hush. Baby, not well. Hush, okay, baby. You okay, Eva? You okay? Okay, you're not so. Come lie down with Daddy. See it in your eyes. Truth is, because Eden and I weren't so hot for the past couple of days, this vlog was started like probably 2 days ago and it's still don't finish yet, so I'm going to wrap it up right now. So just sorry for the kind of all over the place, but yes, baby, I'm going to close the vlog right now. She's looking at me like, what? I'm going to end it now, okay? Yeah, she's not feeling well, so it's actually Saturday now. Tina and Hannah are on the road, and I'm here with the four of them alone. So, yeah, I'm sure it's going to be posted on Sunday evening or started in the week. So, happy Father's Day to all the fathers represented in the neighborhood. Big up yourself. Say happy Father's Day. Say happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Say happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Zaza, come and say happy Father's Day to all the fathers.
Happy Father.
Come and say it. Leila, what do you want to say to the fathers? Come say happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Say happy Father's Day. And eating not so hot, oh gosh. Right, so we'll catch up with you on the other vlog. I'm going to tend to these little ones now. And hopefully we'll be back to 100. The last time we were sick, everybody in the house caught something, so it just went from one of us to the next. Hopefully it doesn't do that this time. So neighbors, until next time, happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Remember to follow us on Instagram at me and my house. Until next time, see ya.